Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram message not sending. To know how to fix Instagram message not sending, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps. Here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to click for you will go down to find the application of Instagram. When you will see this page, you will click for stop here, and when you will enter this, you will click here storage. After that, you will go to clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.